Hello everyone, welcome to LRDIprep. My name is Samir Sardana, a plus educator on Unacademy. I'm going to discuss each and every question of CAT 2020 paper, and I will be putting the video solution of every quant question with 1 minute one question approach. The smart conceptual shortcut approach of all of these questions will be discussed in these videos, and all those videos will be put on YouTube, LRDI YouTube channel. So subscribe to the channel to get updates of all upcoming videos. And if you wish to attend my live sessions on Unacademy Plus for quantitative aptitude as well as for logical reasoning and data interpretation, you can use the referral code LRDIsme to subscribe to Unacademy Plus for maximum discount. On Unacademy, these are the CAT value offering. There are 3000 plus hours of live classes, 1200 plus hours of free special classes for all the students who are preparing for CAT. These are completely free, so you can just use the referral code LRDIsme to attend all of these free classes happening on Unacademy Plus for CAT exam. 55 plus new tests every month with CAT as well as for other MBA entrance exams will be given to you. One-on-one mentorship during your preparation journey of CAT. 13,000 plus practice questions with 1,000 plus live quizzes conducted by Unacademy educators on Unacademy Learning app. So these are the value offer for students who are preparing for CAT on Unacademy. Now, the first question that I will be discussing with you from CAT 2020 slot 1 is an SICI question. A very basic, easy question without making any equation, without using any formula. You can easily answer the question. Let's quickly read the question. It says, Viru invested rupee 10,000 at 5% simple interest. And exactly after 2 years, Joy invested rupees 8,000 at 10% simple annual interest. So this question is on simple annual interest. How many years after Viru's investment will their balances, that means the principal plus accumulated interest, be equal? That means we are supposed to tell after how many years of Viru's investment the total amount. Why amount? Because principal plus accumulated interest should be equal. So principal plus interest is called as amount. So now that's the question, right? It's a single line, one line question, very, very easy to solve. See that? Just look at here. Viru is investing 10,000 rupees, right? And his rate of interest is 5%. So every year he will be getting 500 rupees as an interest. That means his principal will get increased by 500 rupees every year. Very simple thing to observe in this question. And if you look at Joy, he's investing 8,000 rupees. His rate of interest is 10%. That means he will be getting 800 rupees as an interest every year. That means his money, right? Viru's money will get increased by 500. Joy's money will get increased by 800. We want both of these money to be equal. You see that Joy investment is after 2 years, right? Joy investment is after 2 years. So see that after 2 years, Viru investment will get increased by 500 into 2, that means 1,000 rupees. That means by the time Joy invested his money, Viru's investment is already at 11,000. Now, the gap of 11,000 and 8,000 need to be reduced, right? We want both of the amount value to be equal. And you see that at present, the difference in the money that Joy have and the Viru have is of 3,000. And every year, Viru's money get increased by 500, but Joy money get increased by 800. That means this gap of 3,000 will be covered at a speed of 300 rupees per year. So can I say that after the Joy's investment, the gap of 3,000 will be covered in 10 years? Now, if this gap gets covered in 10 years, that means after Viru's investment, Viru has already invested its money 2 years before, right? So 2 years plus 10 years, that means total 12 years. After 12 years of Viru's investment, both of the amount value will be equal, and the answer to the question is 12 years. That's it. So very easy, simple question, right? You cannot get an easier question than this in the CAT exam. Very, very simple question based on the concept of simple interest. No need to make any equation, simply observe it. The difference of 3000 at a speed of 300 rupees per year need to be covered, right? It's kind of time, speed and distance. A distance of 300 kilometer at a speed of 300 will be covered in 10 hours. 3000 rupees at a speed of 300 rupees per year will be covered in 10 years. 10 years plus 2, answer is 12. That's it. Without using pen and paper, you can easily solve the question like this. Now, moving on to the next question. This question is from Profit and Loss. As you can see, question number 2, it says a person spent rupees 50,000 to purchase a desktop, right? So this is the total money that he's spending. 50,000 is the total money that he's spending to purchase a desktop computer and a laptop computer. Now, how much he's spending on desktop, how much he's spending on laptop, that we do not know, but total investment is 50,000. Now, we are going to learn the approach how to avoid making equations in the question like this, because when the moment you start making an equation, you end up wasting a lot of time in the exam. The question like this can be covered without making equations. Without making equation, you can solve this question. He sold the desktop at 20% profit. So you see that desktop is sold at 20% profit and laptop at 10% loss. A laptop is sold at 10% loss. Overall, in this overall transaction, he is making a profit of 2%. Now you see that a 10% loss finally has been converted to a 2% profit. Can I say that overall there is a gain of 12%? And a 20% profit has been reduced down to 2% profit. So can I say that there is a loss or there is a decrement of 18%, right? Now, in a weighted average, you need to balance the value on both sides, right? The gain over here should be same as a loss over here. That's a basic concept of weighted average. Only then the value will get balanced at 2% profit. Now, a 12% gain and 18% loss in the value should be equal. Now see that these two values will become equal if you take 12 on this side and 18 on this side, because 18 into 12 and 12 and 18 will be giving you the same product. So total gain and total loss will get balanced. That means the cost price of this product, which is a desktop computer and a laptop computer, must be in the ratio of 2:3. Now just divide 50,000 in the ratio of 2:3. We are supposed to find out the cost price of desktop. Cost price of desktop would be 2 by 5 of 50,000, and the answer to the question will be 20,000. So that's the answer of the question. Very, very easy one, right? See, no equation required to solve the question, right, guys? Similar to this, right, guys, anyone who is planning to go for Unacademy Plus subscription, I am going to start arithmetic course on 3rd of February. Arithmetic without formula course, right? The way we have solved these two questions of CAT 2020 without using any formulas, with conceptual shortcut approaches, right? This course on arithmetic without formula with 1000 practice course is getting started on 3rd of February on Unacademy Plus. You can use the referral code LRDIsme to subscribe to this course, and once you purchase Unacademy Plus subscription, you'll get unlimited access of all the courses happening on Unacademy Plus for CAT exam preparation. See you in the next part of the video, where we'll be discussing questions from the different chapter asked in the morning slot, in the slot 1 of CAT 2020. Thank you so much for watching the video.